Welcome to Inspire World. We all want to be remembered for something greater than ourselves. But creating a legacy isn't just about wealth, fame, or power. It's about the impact we leave behind, the lives we touch, and the inspiration we provide for future generations. So, how do we build a legacy that lasts? A true legacy starts with purpose. It's not about what you achieve for yourself, but what you contribute to the world. Think of the greatest leaders, visionaries, and changemakers: Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, Mother Teresa. Their legacies were not built in a single moment but through consistent actions, values, and dedication to a cause bigger than themselves. Every day, we have the opportunity to shape our legacy through our choices. It's not just about grand gestures. Sometimes, the simplest acts of kindness, the values we uphold, and the knowledge we share can leave the biggest impact. The way you treat people, the work you do, and the passion you bring to your life all contribute to how you'll be remembered. But here's the truth: legacy isn't something you build at the end of your life. It's something you create every single day. Whether it's by inspiring someone, creating something meaningful, or making a difference in your community, your actions today shape the legacy you leave tomorrow. And don't wait for the perfect moment, start now. What message do you want the world to remember you by? How do you want to inspire others? Your story is unfolding with every step you take, and you have the power to make it unforgettable. So, ask yourself, what do I want to be remembered for? Because the way you live today will define the legacy you leave behind. What kind of legacy do you want to create? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Inspire World for more motivation.